Tila nagsisisi na nga si Alice Guo kung bakit niya pinagkatiwalaan ang mga itinuturing niyang kapamilya. Ito nga ay matapos makarating kay Alice na di umano'y maging sina Cassandra at Sheila ay karelasyon din di umano ng boyfriend nitong si Mayor Kalugay. Ayon sa balita tila natauhan na nga daw si Alice Guo matapos na makita ang mga ebidensya na magpapatunay na nagtaksil sa kanya ang mga itinuturing niyang kapatid. Narito panoorin ang video kung paano nabuko ng ilang politiko ang mga itinatagong lihim ng mga itinuturing na spiya ng bansa.
I'd like to point out to this committee that even if we have been making our own researches, pulling up our own inquiries, this is another source from a completely different party and is unrelated to what we do. Pero nagkataon that the person named Xie Kailun, who si Xie Zhijiang trusted with the encrypted files, showed to Al Jazeera that there is a dossier confirming that there are Chinese spies all over, at least in this case, Myanmar, but here also in the Philippines, and undoubtedly shows Guo Huaping. In the picture, where she was born, even her mother, and the name of Lin Wenyi. Mr. Chair, again, we were told, kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba si Ma'am Alice dito sa Pilipinas, kung dito ba siya ipinanganak, kung Pilipino ba yung mga magulang niya. She first said na dito daw siya lumaki, which is false. Because paano malalaman or ma-identify ng mga tao doon mismo sa address sa Fujian na nakilala nila si Alice Guo o Guo Huaping as anak ni Lin Wenyi nung pinakita nila yung picture ni Guo Huaping sa kanila. Number 2, tinanong natin kung saan ba siya ipinanganak. Nakita na nga. Doon mismo, she left daw late of 2002. Sabi pa ng mga tao na in-interview ng Al Jazeera doon mismo sa Fujian. And might we take note, Mr. Chair, na sa video, nung pinuntahan nila yung address na nakalagay sa dossier, sa encrypted dossier, is a local office ng Communist Party of China. So, Mr. Chair, I think this in itself speaks volumes na. No? Again, nakakainis na time and time again, dinideny ni Guo Huaping lahat ng mga questions na tinatanong namin sa kanya. Okay. Again, let me ask. Guo Huaping, kilala mo ba si Xie Zhijiang? Yes or no?
Your Honor, yung Xie Zhijiang na sinasabi niyo po, yan po ba yung pinakita niyo po kanina sa akin sa picture?
Correct.
Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko po magdemanda. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Hindi natin madidemanda, Miss Alice, dahil kasi he's in jail in Thailand. And the reason why he's speaking the truth now is because, as he was saying din in the video, although hindi lang pinakita dito, is that he is also being illegally detained daw, sabi niya. Kaya sa galit niya, he wants to speak also the truth out to the world na iniipit na rin siya ng Chinese Ministry of State and Security. So, what does he have to lose? That's why nga sinabi nga niya sa inyo, Ms. Guo Huaping, na tell the truth. Don't fall to the same mistakes that he has done. Kasi nga, he also fears for your life. Remember, nung Senate hearing, na you mentioned na you didn't want to name names because you feared for your life. And because of that, the Senate granted you security and asylum within the PNP's compound. Ngayon, na nag-executive session na kayo, sabi ng Senate na there was nothing to go about except for one name na hindi pa din namin alam. But if we look at it, there is no doubt, kitang-kita na. Hindi na galing mismo dito sa Quadcom, pero in an international company that whose job is to search for the truth worldwide. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video. Na this is confirmation that what we've been trying to unearth here, marami na din dyan na nakikita din that corroborates not from us but from other parties as well. Which also means that this Quadcom should also be the avenue for which other people should also go to us to reveal more of the truth kasi kailangan din natin yung kompletong katotohanan. Which is why this is an open call to action, Mr. Chair. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Quad Committee meetings natin, na kung may alam kayo, lalo na nakakatulong ito sa pagtingin, sa pagkuha ng katotohanan, please come forward. Kasi this is national security also at stake. She's been denying na may kilala siya, na ultimo, sinasabi niya na ilang beses na siya tinawagan para humingi ng campaign funds. Kung hindi niya alam yun, or if he was saying, if it wasn't even in the same timeline, then he wouldn't have said that. Diba? Timing. Elections natin, doon din siya, tumakbo din siya, humingi siya ng tulong. It all adds up. It all lines up. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video to the committee. And I hope na people really try this time na mas marami pa na will come forward to speak truth to this matter. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So ito, wala kang kilala dito.
Sa tatlo po, ni isa po wala po akong kakilala, Your Honor.
So ito, nandito si Shezi Zhang when he was saying, Mr. Chair, na dito siya na-recruit sa Pilipinas as a spy. Baka iisa lang pala ang nagre-recruit sa kanila, hindi natin alam, no? And again, babalik natin doon sa picture na pinakita sa video. Yung next slide, please. And again, you confirm this is not you, Miss Alice Go.
Your Honor, hindi po ako yan.
This is not you. Okay. Ang katanungan ko, Miss God, because you're saying that hindi mo kilala at dedemanda mo, ano naman mabe-benefit din nitong si Shezi Zhang to name you?
Your Honor, I think it's better for you to ask him. Kasi siya po yung naglabas ng video, so siya po nakakaalam ano yung makakapag-benefit po sa kanya. Definitely, hindi po ako spy.
Okay. Relax ka lang. Bakit ka galit?
Kasi po, ganun din po yung nangyari last time. Sinasabi po nila spy ako. Mahal ko pong Pilipinas, Filipino po ako, hindi po ako spy.
Okay, relax lang. Relax ka lang. Diba? You don't have to be so riled up if you know the truth. Right? So, you categorically will keep denying what Shezi Zhang is saying. Right? He mentions na pinanganak ka sa Fujian, China. And na nanay mo si Lin Wenyi. Correct?
Allegations po niya yun, Your Honor.
And who is Lin Wenyi?
Your Honor, Lin Wenyi is the partner of my father. And about my citizenship naman po, I think there is already
I'm not asking
court
anything about your
na po.
citizenship. I'm just asking who Lin Wenyi is. Pinapangunahan mo ako sa mga questions ko. Hindi ko naman tinatanong. Masyado kang defensive. You know, mga actuations mo, medyo, it's showing something, Miss Guo. So, itong address mo na pinakita, pakita natin yung picture ulit. Yung address nito, Mr. Chair, is apparently the local address of the Chinese Communist Party. Sigurado ka, hindi mo nami-miss to? Walang memories?
Never ko po nakita, Your Honor.
Baka lang, may emotional ka ngayon eh. Baka lumabas ang emotions mo dito. Ano?
Your
Nami-miss
Honor,
mo.
emotional po ako dahil unfair po para sa akin, para sabihan po ako na spy po ako.
Okay, I'm asking about your house now. So, ito,
Your Honor, that's not my house.
okay, this is in Fujian. Balik lang natin sa last hearing na meron pinakita si Congresswoman Luistro, no? Yung nagko-congratulate yung people of Fujian sa kanya. So, kung hindi ka taga dito, at mukhang taga dito naman yung sinasabi nilang bahay nila, bakit naman din? Pakita nga natin ulit. I think we have that, no? That the people of Fujian was congratulating the first mayor, naging mayor dito. Yan. We have a translator here. Do you understand what is written?
Yes, this is like congratulating for winning as the mayor. Okay, and then these are the people who prepared this congratulatory page.
Those are the people, yung mga pangalan.
Below, yes po.
Okay. Baka kunin natin, Mr. Chair, yung mga pangalan na yan.
Yeah, can you please post it again? Yan. Oh. Sino-sino yan?
It is from Xinjiang, Jinjing Shen. Yeah, it's an association of the hometown. It's in Jinjing Shen.
Which is in Fujian, I think.
Yes, it is.
Which is basically where what we saw in this video, Mr. Chair, kung saan talaga sinasabing galing ang si Miss Alice Guo, no? And then itong si Lin Wenyi na tinatanggi naman po ni Miss Alice Guo na hindi mo nanay, no? Which later on, nakakalungkot if she really is your mother, na you're denying your ties to your mother. Sinabi din sa documentary, Mr. Chair, na umalis nga daw siya, sabi ng mga residente doon, na umalis siya towards the end of 2002. From the previous hearings, we have a copy of the Special Investor Resident Visa. Yung next slide, please. Yan. Na dependent siya ni Lin Wenyi. Galing nga sila from Fujian.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to direct my first question to Ms. Ong and to Ms. Guo. Ms. Ong, you said before that kilala niyo po si Ms. Guo. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And in what capacity po yan, Ms. Ong?
Nakilala ko lang po siya dahil kay Wesley Go po.
Si Wesley Guo is supposedly your boyfriend po. Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And you've met Wesley Guo how po?
Somewhere in Binondo po.
In Binondo po. Pero si Wesley Guo, the brother of Alice Guo, Mr. Chair, may I direct my question to Miss Alice Guo? You mentioned po you lived in Tarlac for most of your life po. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So from age 0 to, you claim to be 38 po, no, Miss Guo? From 0 to 38, talagang residence po ninyo is Tarlac.
Yes po.
Have you at any point in time found yourself in Binondo?
Binondo, never naman po ako tumira sa Binondo.
Never tumira. But you visited Binondo po ba?
Yes po.
For what purpose po kaya yan?
Minsan mamasyal, minsan may bibilhin. Opo.
Okay. So from there, would you have an idea of the circumstances surrounding the meeting of Miss Ong and your brother, si Wesley?
Sorry po, one more time po.
May idea po kayo kung paano nakilala si Wesley, si Miss Ong?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Tapos, so sariling lakad niya po yun, yung sa Binondo, and then they met.
Yes po.
Okay. I'd direct my questions again to Miss Ong. So you say you're in a relationship with Wesley. Ano po yung birthday ni Wesley Guo?
February 23.
Feb 23?
Yes po.
That would peg him, what year po?
1990... wait, bilangin ko lang po.
Mr. Chair, do we have anyone who can confirm the date? Because my data says otherwise.
I think,
Perhaps, Mr. Chair, I can ask the Bureau of Immigration.
Yeah.
They might have the documents po, no? Mr. Chair, directing my question to the Bureau of Immigration, anong birthday po ni Mr. Wesley Guo based on his Philippine passport?
Mr. Chair, good evening. Unfortunately, we don't have it, but I undertake to give it before the end of the session, sir.
Okay, please can we confirm? Because as far as I understand, I've seen the picture of the passport and it said February 1. And it would be very curious po na Miss Ong wouldn't know the birthday of her boyfriend for 4 years na po. Tama po. But we'll confirm it later po naman, no? We don't have the data. Would you know po kung anong schools pinuntahan ni Wesley Guo? Boyfriend mo po of 4 years, hindi mo po alam kung anong schools pinuntahan niya?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Isn't that curious? Di ka man lang na-curious kung saan po siya pumunta for schooling?
Hindi po.
So ano yung mga... What aspects of his life do you know about? Alam mo po ba kung ano yung hobbies niya?
Maglaro po.
Maglaro
Yung hobby ng gamdam.
ng gam-gam. Ng
Parang robot.
robot.
Yun lang po.
And the nature of his work, are you familiar po?
No po.
Hindi rin. So, as supposedly a couple from 2020 or 2021, hindi mo po alam yung school niya, hindi mo po alam yung interest niya, and I'm pretty sure hindi mo alam yung birthday niya. So, that's what I'm trying to point out here, Mr. Chair. I do not believe in the story that Miss Guo and Miss Ong know each other through the brother. In fact, I believe the matrix more in which what binds them is their work relation through Mr. Duan Renwu and Mr. Xiang Ji. And in fact, I would, if there's anything that I would change to the matrix, I would say that dapat si Duan Renwu and si Xiang Ji should be in the middle between the two because he is the link that binds.
Yung Happy Penguin Resort, kailan kinonstruct to?
Hindi ko po matandaan, Your Honor, dahil ang kausap po dyan yung kinakasama ko po, Your Honor. Kung
Kung kausap mo yung kinakasama mo, dapat alam mo.
parang nasa 2021 po yata, Your Honor.
2021. May helipad?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Talaga? Walang helipad?
Wala po, Your
Nung
Honor.
naging mayor ka, nung kinoconstruct yung Happy Penguin, hindi ka ba nagpatayo na helipad doon?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka? Wala pa tayo picture. Ha?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Huwag ka na sinungaling. Kasi, doon sa helipad na yon, doon lumalanding si girlfriend mo.
Hindi ko po girlfriend, Your Honor.
O ano? Ano?
Wala po, kaibigan lang, Your Honor.
Oo, talaga. Marami na nga kaming ebidensya. Ayaw pa magsalita ng totoo. Nung sinabi ng girlfriend mo, kinikilig nga ito si si Alice eh. Anyway, Alice, nakapunta ka na ba sa Happy Penguin?
Ano pong exact location po?
Poblasyon.
Sa Sual po?
Meron pa ba iba?
Your Honor, di ko po kasi alam kung ano yung...
Oswal.
Meron po ako napuntahan po na isang resort po. Pero nung time na yun, wala pa naman pong pangalan ako nakita.
Anong ginagawa mo dun? Binibisita mo boyfriend mo?
Unang-una po, hindi ko po boyfriend si Mayor Dong. Pangalawa po, pumunta po ako para mamasyal po.
Sino kasama mo? Sino kasama mo nung pumunta ka sa Sual?
Wesley po.
Wesley, kapatid mo. Ano ginawa niyo ron? Bakit ka pumunta sa Sual? Inibitahan ka ni Mayor Dong?
Hindi po, umikot lang po kami.
Kaya
Tapos,
nga, paano mo nga nalaman na may resort doon? Inibitahan ka ni Mayor Dong?
Hindi po, magkikita niyo naman po eh. Magkikita naman po.
Hindi, ano?
Magkikita naman po. May ginagawa kasi that time na parang A-house po, A-frame na house po. Tiniknan lang po natin.
Alright, nung pumunta ka ron sa resort, magkakilala na kayo ni Mayor Dong?
Opo, magkakilala po kami ni Mayor Dong.
Pareho na kayo Mayor noon, no? At that time?
That time po, opo.
Ha?
Opo.
Wala pa kayong matamis na pagtitingin na nun?
Your Honor, wala po kami dalawa relasyon.
Okay.
Sure,
Okay,
Your Honor.
information obtained that Alicel Aqua Farm and Alicel Consumer Goods Trading were both established by Kalugay and Goo. Alam niyo, these are public documents already. Hindi magsisinungaling ang mga dokumento, Mayor and Alice. Aminin niyo na kasi totoo. Do you have a business partnership? Yun lang ang gusto namin. Wala kaming pakialam kung magnobyo at nobya kayo. We don't care a bit. We want to establish your partnership if indeed these corporations are used for money laundering activities. I don't care. Si Madam Chair won't care if you have a relationship. Puso naman yun eh. Oh. Ano? Do you have a business partnership?
Wala po kaming business partner po ni Mayor Alice Go po, Your Honor.
Alam mo, I don't like to dwell on your romantic relationship anymore. Alam na ng buong SWAL, alam na ng buong bayan, alam na ng buong Pilipinas na meron kayong relasyon. Based on the facts that we have presented to you, yung mga business corporations, it's very obvious. Alicel, saan ba na kayo Alicel? Di ba sa pangalan ninyong dalawa? Yung DNA, Dong and Alice, di ba sa pangalan ninyong dalawa? Dong Guo, Dong and Guo. Mapapagkailangan po ba yun? Parang ano, love team yun eh. Di ba? Oh.
Wala naman po talaga, Your Honor. Wala po kaming pinagsamahan po kahit isa na negosyo po, Your Honor.
Talaga ha? Kahit ito mga binanggit na namin mga korporasyon na kinuin yung pangalan mo? Pangalan ninyo? Ha?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yung Donggo.
I-check ko po yung Donggo, Your Honor.
Ha?
Hindi po sa amin yan, Your Honor. Wala po kaming pagmamayari at wala rin po kaming negosyo po ni kahit ni isa.
Parang ano nga eh, Dong yan, Katniel ba? Oh. Di, kinuha niyo pangalan niyo eh. Okay, DNA. Sa'yo? Sa inyo?
Hindi rin po, Your Honor.
Cheryl, ang nakalagay, may-ari ng DNA, yung partner mo, Arnel Salindong.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nasaan siya? O do you know anything about this?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, what do you know?
Sa kanya po yung DNA.
Sino may-ari niya? Siya?
Si Arnel po.
Yung partner mo?
Yes
ano
po, Your
nature
Honor.
of business nito?
Actually, yung daddy po niya yung nag-finance niyan, Your Honor.
Ha?
Daddy po niya yung nag-finance niyan.
Yung bang partner mo, empleyado ng SWAL?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Kung hindi, saan siya nagtatrabaho?
Wala, yun lang po. Yung DNA lang po.
Naging empleyado ba siya ng SWAL nung araw?
Dati po, sa SB po.
Kailan? Kailan?
2019, I think.
Sa Bamban?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Never?
Never po, Your Honor.
Ano nature of business itong DNA?
Pharmaceutical po. Sa gamot po.
Sa gamot. Bakit DNA?
Si daddy po kasi niya. Daddy and Arnel lang po yan. Ang simple lang po niyan eh.
Kahit simple ba dyan? Malaki, tinatanong ko lang.
Yes po.
Bakit DNA?
Kay daddy po kasi yan talaga.
Kaya nga, hindi ba Dong and Alice yun?
No po, Your Honor.
Ano nga? What does it stand for?
Siguro, Daddy and Arnel.
Wow, ah. Galing mo gimbento talaga.
Yes po talaga, Your Honor.
Ang bilis mo gimbento, ang bilis ng pick-up mo. Ah. Kasi madali, DNA, ha?
Yes po talaga.
Daddy and ano?
Si Arnel po.
Ano hindi?
Si Daddy po.
Anak ng patola, saan tayo pupunta dito? Madam,